Hey guys, been here. Previously, so in day 83, we did this family. So it's a adaptive sail shade family. So you can place it on use full adaptive points. Okay. So today I'm going to show you how to get the parameter and also the area of this family, of this shade family. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's quickly model this family. Okay, so create an adaptive family and then place 4 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and make adaptive, and then create spline. So select 2 points and create spline. 2-point spline and 2-point spline, and then select all these splines and then check this is reference line, so make them reference line, and then once again point, this time draw on face and pick the middle point, and then you can also use SM, snap middle point, SM, or just manually find this middle point. Okay, so now we need to place another 4 points, and this time draw on work plane, set work plane, and tab, pick this vertical work plane, so see this one, and tab, pick this work plane and place it on the point, and then select this point and drag. So you can see this arrow going that way, so if I drag this way it will be positive. Okay, so it's okay, I'll just drag it this way, I'll just rotate it, I'll just flick, rotate this point back, so later. Okay, so let's place all the other 3 points. So draw on work plane, set work plane, tab, place, and place this point on the point, and then drag it that way, so positive. So another one, draw on work plane, set work plane, pick this work plane and place it on this point. So select this point, go this way. And last one, so tab, so okay, drag it this way. So now let's create a offset. So see this one, I'm going to create a parameter, I'll call it offset, OFS, maybe instance. Okay, so this one, because this one's positive as well, so I'll just link this to OFS, and this one, oh, actually they are all positive, I'll just link all of them to OFS. So now if I see, if I move the point, all the point will go move as well. And then so these two, I just said select this point on this, so select this one and see this is a rotation angle, rotate it by 180 degree, so this point will go in the middle. Okay, so go to the other side of the reference line, so same, select this point, 180. Okay, so now select this 1, 2, 3 and create a spline and make it reference line, and once again these two, 1, 2, spline, reference line, and then 1, 2, 3, spline and reference line. So now we have 3 reference lines, so 1, 2, 3, create form. So this is it. So see if I move this, so for example this moves up, so you can change, it will change the shape of this shade, and so something like this. Okay, so now let's work, let's work out the parameter. Okay, so first let's go to floor plan. Maybe I need, because the view range we can't see the whole thing, so click on this level, so and then you will be able to set the view range. Okay, and then I'll just type in 99999999. Okay, so now we can see all these points. So let's do some dimension DI, and actually before that, let's just make sure. So click on the set work plan, make sure the work plan is on reference level. Okay, now let's do a dimension DI and pick this point. So this is number 0.1. So make sure, actually before I dimension, sometimes you will dimension onto maybe this face or onto the reference line, so it won't work. Okay, so make sure, so I'm going to select these 4 adaptive points and isolate them. Okay, so now I can make sure when I dimension, it's always onto this reference this adaptive point. Okay, so first 1 to 2, and then 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 1. So now let's create 4 reporting parameter. I'll call it maybe L, instance L1 maybe, reporting. Okay, and then second one will be L2, instance reporting. Third one will be L3, instance reporting, and L4, instance reporting. So apparently, so the parameter will be the total of all these 4 reporting parameter. So I'll call it parameter, how to spell parameter? Parameter. Okay, so instance, okay, and then I can just add them up. So L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4. That's it. And of course, I like to place them because I don't need to see them. I just want to see the parameter of this family. So I'll just place L1 to L4 on the other group. And OFS, that's fine, because we are going to use this to adjust the shape. So let me just show you. So this is the shade, and you can use the OFS offset too. So for example, 200, 500. Yeah, okay. So now the area. The area of this shape, actually I'm not quite sure how to calculate this shape, but I found that if I break this shape into 2 triangular shape, 2 triangle, we will be able to calculate the area. Okay, so we're going to use this formula, Heron's formula, in which you can calculate the area. Where's the area? Hang on, let me find the area calculation. Where is it? It's here. So this is the area. So the area equals S square root of S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S equals A plus B plus 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is the formula. So if we, see, I'll just here, let's go to 3D view, and I'll temporarily hide this shade, and then I'll select this L of 0.1 and 0.3 and create a spline and then check this reference line. So now we have 2 triangular shape. Okay, so 1 and 2. So we just need to calculate the area of these 2 and add them up. So we will get the area of this family. So but before that, we need another reporting parameter. So I'll select point 1 and select point 3, HI, and then DI dimension. And just before that, I want to double check the work plan. It's on reference level. Yeah, that's good. Then DI, make sure you pick this point, So this will be L5. Okay, so L5 instance reporting OK. So HR. So now let's calculate the area. So let's go to family type. So first we need to get the S. S equals the parameter minus 2, half of the parameter, semi-parameter. Okay, so I'm going to calculate the top right triangle first. Okay, so first create a parameter. So I'll call it as S1 and instance. Okay, so S1 equals L1 plus L2 plus L5 divided by 2. So bracket L1 plus L2 plus L5 bracket divided by 2. Okay, and then we need to calculate the area A equals this. Okay, so go back, create a area. So A1, call it A1 area of this triangle, and make sure you change this to area. Okay, area, and instance. Okay, so and then the formula will be SQRT bracket S1 times bracket S1 minus L1 bracket times bracket S1 minus L2 bracket times bracket S1 minus L5 bracket. I think that's it. Yes, so we get this 35.937. So this is the area of this triangular shape. Okay, so now let's create the S2. S2 is the semi-parameter of this triangular shape. So create S2 length. Okay, instance. Okay, S2 equals. I'll just copy this. This time will be L3 plus L4. So I'll just change 1 to 3, change 2 to 4. So now this is the semi-parameter. And then create a new area parameter A2. Change this to area instance. OK. I'll also copy this. Control C, Control V, but this time I'll change S1 to S2. S1 to S2, L1 to L3, S1 to S2, L2 to L4, S1 to S2, and L5. That's the same. So now we get this 32 square meter. And then the overall area, so will be, I'll just create a new, so area, and make sure use the area type. Instance. Okay, equals A1 plus A2. So that's the area of this family. And okay, and I think that's it. So and before I load this into a project, just make sure you check this always vertical. Okay, so actually, I'm going to show you why. I'll just uncheck this one, and I'll have a test, and I'll show you why. Okay, so now let's create a project. So to test this, the size, the area, and the parameter, I'm going to just do some reference line. Okay, and for example, I'll just 2 by 2. Okay, so this is a 2 by 2 grid, and I'm going to place this family in this grid. So load this into the project, and then I'm going to, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. And maybe I'll just change the offset a little bit. So, okay, so this is the shade. Okay, so this is the shade, and then let's have a look of these parameters. It looks like a little bit messy. Actually, let me just go back and tidy up these parameter. Okay, so L5, I don't need to see it. Just I'll place it in other group. Offset. Sorry. Yes, I need this. I need to control this, and area 1. Maybe A1, I'll place A1 in other as well, A2 in other. So maybe I'll just put this area in dimension. So I just put all the one I need under one same group. So S1 I don't need it. S2 as well. So only area. Maybe move this up. So this is offset area. I'll rename it OFS offset. So the offset area parameter. Okay, maybe parameters go up. So okay. So okay, and then let's load this into the project. Overwrite, and then offset go back to default. That's fine. Just change it. So now, as we can see, looks like it's not very accurate. So because this should be the area should be 4 square meter, but it comes out 3.999, and also the parameter it's 1.6 of the A meter. So actually, let's have a look. So if I go 3D view, and I'll just use I'll close this one. I don't need this. So I'll WT. Let's have a look of this family. So if I select one of the points and drag this up, and you will see this changed. This actually, I don't think this is correct. I don't think this is correct, because when we do the area and parameter, we only do the pretend this is a very zero offset. It's like this. Okay, so when we calculate, we don't minus the edge. We consider this as like a rectangle or the straight line. Okay, so when I only move this point up, all the area and the parameter should stay the same. The reason why it's changing is because this option. So when we don't have this one checked, I believe the reporting parameter will coming out like will probably change the work plan. Then that's why number come out. It's will change. So here I just want to show you why I want to check this always vertical. And if I check this one, load this into the project, and let's have a look again. So you will see this number now. That's correct. Okay, so this is exactly 8 meter parameter and 4 square meter. So if I'm not sure if it will. So for example 3 meter, I'll just drag this point, or I'll move it. Okay, move it to this point, and move this point to this point, and it will be should be 6 square meter and let's have a look. Yes, 6 square meter and 10 meter parameter. So and also see, it doesn't matter. So if we just change the elevation of this point, but the parameter and the area should stay the same. Okay, so that's it. So this is a family. So I'll just quickly just do another one. Okay, so you can place some column. So I'll use height. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So some structure you can have different height. You can have so this one higher, and then maybe let's just change some height. Okay, some like this. So this is 4 point, and then we can select this one, CS, create similar, place on point. We can just 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So now we have this shade. Okay, so and then when you click select it, it tells you the parameter of this shape as well as the area of this shape. And also you can change the offset, so something like this. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.